Enthusiastic introduction, Nick FPV here. A bit of a different video here. My buddy let me borrow his iFlight Megabee, which is a 3-inch sort of Cinewhoop that you can pop a GoPro on. This isn't anything brand new, but I was really curious to try these out. So here's some footage of me flying around the park. So these things are really great if you're in sort of a small area, like a park where there's people around, or you're trying to shoot indoors with a GoPro. And you know, you don't want to hurt anyone, you don't want to chop a child's head off. The prop guards are great. It is a very specific use and it's kind of limited, and they're fairly expensive, so it's the sort of thing that has a niche use, but within that use it's really cool, really fun. People were generally not annoyed by this thing flying around the park. You know, we came close to folks that tried not to come too close, but it was nice to not feel like we were freaking people out with a 5-inch with insane blood splattering blades. Yeah, I really enjoyed flying this thing. It takes a little getting used to. It definitely feels sluggish. And I think iFlight's the first company to make a bind and fly version of these actual Cinewhoops. A lot of companies make quote Cinewhoops, but you know, they have split cameras or whatever, and they don't film anything as good as a GoPro does. So this is really, these are the true Cinewhoops. And I would definitely recommend this. Kebab recently did a review of the DJI HD FPV version of this, which is cool, but if you're looking to make a final product that is a high quality video for professional purposes, I don't think the DJI FPV DVR is something you could submit to a company for a professional drone video. It's more for, I think, for fun. But if you're looking to do this for a living, if you're looking to fly around, you know, real estate properties or small exterior areas and get some really nice footage, this type of drone is really the one. But anyway, I'll let you enjoy the rest of the footage, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.